Okay. Hi, Dr. David Kulla here. Have you ever had that moment when you're really stressed out and your eye feels like it's just twitching super fast, but so slightly that maybe you're talking to somebody and they don't even notice it or see it, but you feel like they can see your eye twitching? So of course, she's a shark on Shark Tank Brazil. This woman owns how many companies? 40 companies, and that could be 80 by next year, okay? Or 100. If you've had that problem, I got the solution for you. The reason for your eye twitching like that is stress. So imagine running one company, 40? So she's got tons of stress and anxiety, and that affects your cranial nerves. Now, there are two cranial nerves that affect the eyes and the eyelids and the face. One is cranial nerve 3, which is the oculomotor cranial nerve, okay? And that nerve controls a lot of what's going on in the muscles in the eye. And then also we have cranial nerve 7, which is the facial nerve. And that nerve, people get like tingling across the face, or they get sharp pain. That's usually trigeminal neuralgia. So she's obviously got some inflammation or irritation around either cranial nerve 3 or 7. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and inhibit that nerve with a laser. And then we're going to adjust her upper cervical spine to take all that tension and stress from her neck and her shoulders. And usually it takes a handful of treatments to get rid of that twitching. But that twitching in the eye is nothing serious. You guys have nothing to worry about, but you should go in and see a healthcare professional, preferably a chiropractor. A neurologist is probably going to just send you out of his office or just give you some medication, which doesn't really fix the root of the cause. So here we go. Which side is it? Which eye?
This one.
Your right one. So she has a few nerves that run up over the ear and branch out up into the eye and then into the face. And we're gonna target all those areas. Some people get that eye twitching without any stress or anxiety, right? Sometimes it could just come from like a possible like sinus infection or just a lot of tension in your neck that's chronic that you haven't dealt with. So if you have a headache or neck pain and you're having that eye twitching within a few days of each other, then you know they're all related and it's related to your neck. Get yourself into a chiropractor's office and they'll know how to treat that and take care of that. And how often does the twitching happen? Is it every day?
Mm-hmm.
And for how many months or weeks?
6 months.
6 months it's been going on. So you hear that she's had it every day pretty much for 6 months. It comes and goes. So we're gonna treat her a couple times while she's here in New York and see how.
No, I'm in New York. I'm good. Yeah.
Oh, you haven't had it since you've been here in New York?
Mm-hmm.
Probably the stress. Although you're here for work too, right? So what this laser does is inhibit the nerves. So it's going to also calm any inflammation down around the nerve roots. And we're going to adjust all the way up at the top of her neck, the upper cervical region, to alleviate a lot of tension in her neck. Okay. You feel that? Compare it to this, feel the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, lay on your stomach. This isn't bad here. Sensitive here or here? Masaki, more here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm speaking Spanish to a Brazilian. That makes a lot of sense, huh? It's the best I got. My Portuguese is... Okay, take a deep breath in and blow out. Okay. Take another deep breath in and blow out. Okay, lay on this side. So you're gonna lay on the side. So face me over here. So lay on your side, yep. Bend this leg here, good. Take a deep breath in and blow out. The other side, otro lado. Is that how you say it in Portuguese? Other side? Otro lado. And bend your top leg here, good. And take a deep breath in, blow all the way out. Okay, lay face up. Tuck your chin, take a deep breath in, come on up, come up a little bit, sit up. One more, deep breath in, come up and blow out. And that's it. That's how we check. Somebody with a twitchy eyelid, right? We want to address the cranial nerves. If you guys have any questions or comments, comment below. Appreciate the likes, appreciate the subscribes, and give a round of applause for Shark Tank celebrity Carol Pfeiffer. Thanks for tubing in.